Something's going on with camera 1. Welcome to the Scrap Shack 2. The Scrappy Boogaloo. Yeah, it's all fuzzy, man, like a dream. With the camera. I wiped it off a few times. So we're working on these AC units. We got the rads, we got compressors, we got steel mixed, got to go through copper, breakage, copper, junk, let's see, camera 2, watch. See, it comes in pretty clear. Hyper tough light, rechargeable, what battery powered. This one, woo, that's bright, that one. That was given to me by my boy Michael O'Connell, and it's sitting over there. The Hyper Tough though, $19.99 at Walmart. I bought one. Oh, and we just ran out of juice. I figured. So we had one before the Blazer got stolen, and it was sitting in the glove box. So we had to get another one and do a review. Hyper Tough. I'm liking that stuff. That's the same as my little screw gun. I got it as a Christmas gift from Twisty. It was $15, and I'm telling you what, that was like over a year ago. Still strong, still running strong, taking these things apart. We got to run off this light now until it lights up out here. We still got a couple hours for that one. We're back to the daydream. What a day for a scrap dream. Na, na, na. That's right, everybody, yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, enough of that. We gotta get busy, y'all. Get busy, y'all. Uh-oh. What? What's up, man? Hey, go straight back. You can't miss it. I'm gonna come around. I had to get it, warmed up a little bit.
Not a problem.
What's up, Rodger of CU Scrapping? What's happening, man?
Nice to see you.
What a day for a daydream. Yeah, it looks like a daydream going on here. It's all fuzzy.
Yeah.
I had it for a while now. It's been a secret, so. The new joint. Whew. All right, we're gonna get some gloves on and start loading this junk up. Cut my cord. Fill it up the rest of the way with the steel. And we got the good stuff in here, Joe Dirt. And we got more good stuff. What a day for a scrap dream.
At the yard.
Yeah.
And had the stove back there, but I still had to strip it down. So I left it back there, hopped on the interstate. Stove's heavier than stove's 200 pounds. But I left it standing up, so the top here was exposed.
Yeah.
And I had just gotten up to speed, and I see that thing start to dance around back there because the wind's catching it. I'm like,
did it take off?
no, I slowed down, pulled over the curb. Didn't have to strap it down. All I had to do was lay it down so the wind wouldn't catch it.
Yeah. Well, there's the catch, everyone. We got a bunch of steel, as you can see, lots of it. We didn't film the loading. because, you know, we loaded it. We got some compressors, old sheet, got the copper 2, and money cakes, cash cakes with a old sheet. Yeah, man. And we cleared out most of this 10 by 25 and a 10 by 10. So we'll get all the 10 by 10 in here, and then eventually get the Greenfield unit in here, and then maybe a trailer. All right, man, let's do this. Yeah, let's do it. So the OmniSource was closed for some reason, so that was a fun trip. We're heading to this other one everybody kept talking about to me, so we'll see what these guys are all about, but we might not be able to drop the money cakes. We'll find out real soon though, because they have a thing here where you gotta have paperwork, so, and I got paperwork just at the OmniSource. They locked the doors on us, man. They locked the doors on us, Roger. What? Why?
Saw us coming.
Yeah, they saw us coming. They were like, haha, joke's on you, buddies. So let's hope we can get this stuff unloaded. I know the steel would be no problem, and then the copper would be no problem, but you know, it's just all the money cakes and oh, the old sheet won't be no problem. There's the old recovery yard the Blazers at. The Blazers over there, everyone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's where we left it. Right over there, everyone. The Blazers over there somewhere. Oh, the compressors. That might be another thing they might not want to get. So, we'll find out. We had to go to this other spot here, Farmsworth Metal Recycling. They're paying pretty good, $149 a net ton. We had 1,280 pounds, and they paid us $95.36. So they ran it down, so we got paid $95 on that one. That's all fuzzy. So we would have got a little bit better pricing at the OmniSource, but number 2 copper tubing and wire. What are they talking about? $2.73 a pound. We got $106 on that mug. Old sheet, they're paying 43 cents a pound. The aluminum copper rads, they're paying $1.23 a pound. We got 211 on that mug. And then the compressors was 6 cents a pound at we had 316 pounds, so $19. $343.87. We'll call it $344. They rounded it up. We did good, man, thinking that you know, the OmniSource was closed kind of threw us a bone. Yeah. I was fucking, man, I felt bad. I was like, holy cow, Roger came all the way down here. How long did it take you to get here?
2 hours.
2-hour drive to help out the boy. CU Scrapping, everybody. And he gave me a key. Look at this mug. I'm surprised I didn't lose it. I'm surprised I didn't lose that thing. That's old school. We're gonna go get into some old haunted houses with that key. CU Scrapping. He's cool, man. He is cool. Old CU Scrapping's going to McDonald's. And we going home. Going to get the truck, everybody. A large shout out to CU Scrapping for coming through with the truck. We rented a trailer, as you all saw. We did all that. We did all that. And we chatted for a good long time, man. That guy is cool, man. We cool with that. We cool with the cool people, man. And he cool. CU Scrapping, everybody. Thank you so much. We made like $440, and we still got more to, more stuff to break down. Yeah, we got all kinds of stuff to break down, everybody. We still got units, and we all good, baby. Homestead, Mama McKee, where you at?
Sit, meow mix, sit. Meow. That's a good pussy.